Welcome to Nature's Wild Playground, and today we are going to be making lotion bars. And why pay $11 for 0.6 ounces when you can make your own? So here's what you're going to need today. You got your silicone molds, there's shea butter here, coconut oil, it's supposed to be beeswax, but when I ordered it, it was paraffin wax and beeswax mixed. Found out the hard way. And if you want your lotion bars to be scented, you can use scent for them too. You use as much as you want. With the fragrance, you're going to need a scale, a bowl, and a pan, or a double boiler if you have one. In my case, I don't have one. Now we're going to turn our burner on to medium. I do have a spoon for the shea butter. So I'm going to put my molds aside because I have my shea butter in a gallon jug. It's just going to be easier for me to do it that way. You don't have to do it that way. You want an even ratio. So with your ratio, you're going to do 8 ounces of each thing. So you're going to put your cup on there. Zero it out. And since this isn't too awful messy, I'm probably better off with a cup. Measuring cup works too. There we are. 4 ounces, because this is going to make quite a bit. Add it right in your pan. Oh, I got some in there, yeah. Well, the girls will be excited that I actually got around to doing this. I've been telling them for a few weeks. Told them I was going to make it, and I haven't. But things happen, you get busy. Almost at 4. 4.2, good enough. It don't have to be exact. You're going to dump this in your pan too. Oh, don't need to be cleared out. Even better. There's my spoon for my coconut oil. I love using coconut oil. I have to come off my spoon. There it goes. Coconut oil's got a lot of uses. I even give it to the dog. It helps their digestive system. Also helps with their coat and hot spots too. I'm at 4.9, so I'm going to take a little bit of this out. Oh yes, your cinnamon rolls are done, honey. Alright, so we're going to set our coconut oil aside. I ordered mine on Amazon. I'm just going to add that in there. This helps with eczema, dry flaky skin, especially during the winter. Oh my goodness, wearing pants all the time takes a toll on your skin. Good for your hair too. And it's even good for your digestion. We actually got cooking spray that's a coconut oil. So what this is going to do, the water is going to heat up and it's going to melt what's in this bowl. And once that's melted, I will be back with you. Our coconut oil is already melted down. We're just waiting on the rest of the beeswax and the shea butter to finish melting down. But once it gets to this point, it's not going to be very long before that occurs. So what I do at this point is when I check my water to make sure my water level is still at the level it should be. You want at least 2 to 3 inches of water if you do it this way. I have put less in it before, and by the looks of my pan, you can tell I've scorched it. So we're good on water here. Let the camera not fog up on you. And at this point, since we're almost melted in here, you can add your fragrance. I like a fragrant lotion when I do it, so I add a lot to it. You don't have to. You can use peppermint essential oils, which if you use a peppermint essential oil, you have got to have a carrier oil with it. Do not use peppermint oil without a carrier oil, because as odd as it sounds, the peppermint essential oil will burn you because it gets so hot. I went and had a tension migraine from hell. Used straight peppermint oil on myself, and the effects from that, I was ready to puke. It was not good. So you're going to go ahead and we're going to get our molds set up side by side since this is about done. And I use this spoon just to ladle it in there. I did find my molds. See how fast I did that? Just by a little bit of stirring. I did find my molds at Walmart around Easter. They had rabbits and Easter eggs and sunflowers. So I just went with the sunflowers because I could not find an actual bar one. Or a mold shape in the shape of a bar. Ugh, if I could speak. So now we're going to turn off our burner. And what we're going to do, see how that's dripping? I like to use this little lip right here. Oops, as I spill it. And just dump it right in there. Out of that little bit that we had, we got 3, 6, 9. We got 10 lotion bars. Spread that apart just a little bit. It's already started cooling. You can tell out here near the outer edge. The only downfall about this mold, though, is the petals after a while start falling off. So if that's something you don't want to happen to your lotion bars, then I would suggest not using this type of mold. Well, like I said, that's the only kind I have right now. I have to start my collection all over again. Alright, so these are what your lotion bars are going to look like when you're done. If you have the jagged edges, like I do here, just pull it, and it'll separate it, and you just pop it right out. And there's your lotion bar. All I do, rub it on your hands. Just like that. So So this is what it looks like up close. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share this video out. Thanks, bye. We'll be doing soaps and non-greasy lotions, home remedies, and much more. So I can't wait till that happens. There's one video that I do have coming out that I am quite excited about. It's weather folklore. So I will be doing that at some point in time. I have a list of videos that I want to get done, and this being one of them, and the trapping video that we just recently posted on how to maintain them.